What is this? This is that H2? Oh my god. That's your first. Oh, you're crazy. You see what I'm saying? I mean, I did a little up. How you doing?
What's going on, bro?
Chilling, bro.
MotoBroo!
Yeah. How you doing?
Doing good, bro.
Bro, it's so hot. How are you wearing a long sleeve?
Hey.
No, it's a good shirt, but it's hot as bro. Just making a little video right now. You wanna say something? Hey, let's go. What is this? This is that H2? Oh my god, bro. I've been seeing these on Instagram a lot lately. Just hauling as fast as
That's my first bike.
That's your first. Oh, you're crazy. You got an H2, bro. How fast have you gotten it to? 150? Damn.
Yeah, but it's my first bike, so I'd say
It can go faster?
it can go probably 190.
Ah!
But it don't stop.
Yeah. Yeah, you be careful on that thing, bro. Bro, that's homie's first bike and you got an H2, bro. Isn't that like a turbo or a supercharged bike, bro? Like, I've been seeing them on Instagram just hauling ass against Lambos and Ferraris and every other Supras. Bro, look at this fucker, bro. You are. That's what I like to say. But bro, I think my rear tire is going low. What's going on? I feel that wheel steep. Feels a little weird. Hey, being in there. And there's another little thing, like, you see it again, bro. I think that's the fourth one, bro. That's the fourth one, bro. Holy flipper doodle, bro. And we hit that. I'm gonna do one of those backfires. This little backfire for downtown. Alright, yeah, we're going down here, brother. Whoa. Forgot I had damn handguards on this. Alright, I need to check on my freaking wheel, bro. Because that bit feels flat. But, oh, that bit definitely a bit low. Luckily, I got my portable zinc wire inflator, bro. And, bro, look how small this thing is. Look how freaking dialed and small it is. Turn that bit on just like that. And it has different options. So I can go from bicycle to a basketball, but then a car and a bike. So I'm gonna choose the bike. And this little charger inflates to 150 PSI. Like, this bit is so small and the battery life, like, it's just incredible, bro. Like, I don't remember the last time I charged it. So that's what's sick about this. It shows me what PSI I was at. So this whole ride, I've been at 20 PSI, but as you can see, like, this thing even has a freaking light, bro. So when you're at night and you can't find the damn plug to inflate your wheel, you got a light. But it's just so nice, like, on the go. You can put this in your backpack. Like, I have it literally in my backpack. All right, it's currently at 35. So you just hit the power button and it turns right off, bro. And then we untwist it. So yeah, sync wire, bro. I'm gonna have a link in the description if you guys want to check this thing out. Like, I'm telling you, you never know when you're getting a flat, bro. So having a portable charger that can go up to 150 PSI, it is just amazing. But let's get back on the damn Supermoto. It's weird because, like, I don't have PTS for wheel skis. Like, oh, like, I have. What is this though? Oh, homeless freaking. Definitely some homeless encampment going on here. Pull a wheelie across this bit. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I had so much fun on this freaking Supermoto. Like, yeah, it's heavier. Yeah, it doesn't have as much power as a 450, but like, it's got its own special vibe, bro. Like, something about the freaking Supermoto. Oh my gosh, bro. You see what I'm saying, bro? Like, Florida is just on another level with people not paying attention and just pulling out wherever the hell they want. Holy shit. Bro, almost 40,000 miles on this bad boy. And she's still rocking. I can't believe it, bro. I really can't. The DRZ power is something else. I didn't pay attention, bro, because like, are you kidding me, bro? Pay attention. It's green. Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. People are out here, bro. It's a green light. And they ain't going, bro. It's insane, bro. Holy, alright, so now you might understand a little bit more why the solo riding is just not for me, bro. Like, many of you guys know, in 2018, I lost my spleen. And to be honest, that was a really traumatic moment for me. The whole incident of, like, you know, the doctors telling me I had 72 hours to live, and it turned out, because they thought my heart was bleeding, but it turned out my heart wasn't bleeding, and it was just a lot of scares, to be honest. Like, I had a heart rate of, like, I think it was I forget what my mom said, it was like 230, and I'm laying down, bro. Like, I'm running a freaking triathlon, laying in bed. That's what it was like, and my body was shaking. But yeah, I've just been scared, to be honest. Like, I'm gonna be totally real with y'all. I don't know if it's trauma, PTSD, but when I'm riding like by myself, especially in America, I don't know what it is about these American drivers. They just flipping stuff, bro. Like, you're gonna see at least 5 people almost hit me today, and that's a guarantee. That's just a guarantee of driving in Florida. Bro, look at that Hellcat, bro. That's just sick. And yeah, so you might be wondering, yo, can you lane split in Florida? And to be honest, no, I'll just take the ticket, bro. Like, I've been hit from behind already. Not hard, thank God, but I've seen so many videos of people just getting demolished or demolished, bro. Like, they be going through, like, they be waiting at a light, and then there's tons of cars, and they're all the way in the back, and then someone just goes, bah, and runs right into them. So, yeah, they ain't happening to me, bro. I'll take that 150, or I don't even know how much the ticket is, to be honest. Hopefully it's not too much, bro. But, like, it's just peace of mind. Like, if I was back there, bro, I'm looking behind me, trying to see if anyone's coming. It's just a nerve-wracking position, and I feel like ever since I did get in that incident in LA where I lost my spleen, like, I'm always on the, not the edge, but I'm always like, my nerves are always sort of going, especially on this Supermoto, because like riding solo on this Supermoto, like I got my little bird thing, but riding solo on this Supermoto can just be nerve-wracking, bro. Like, so when I was in LA, so to continue that story, when I was in LA, I was cruising like this when I got in my incident, bro. Like, it's not like I was riding too crazy. I wasn't following the road rules, like, perfectly. I was sort of like, this is sort of happened. I was in the turning lane when this was blocked off. Like, there's traffic here, but the light was green, and I was in that turning lane. And then I cut back into traffic, and then someone on the other side was turning, and yeah, it just didn't work out to me, to be honest. But from that scenario, like, I'm always on the edge when I'm solo. It's just because when you're on a motorcycle, it's so hard for people to see you. And I notice it when I'm in my car. I'm like, holy crap, I didn't even know there was a motorcycle there. Like, if I would have turned without using my blinker or just randomly turned, I would have been screwed. So, yeah. Bro, I'm like, the speed limit, we're going almost 50 right now, but I feel like I'm going 20, bro. Like, I feel like we're going so damn slow. There's undercover. Was there a cop in that car in front of you? I knew it. Yeah. Have a good one. Awesome, thank you.